Today we will talk about XRP, but I think it applies for things like XLM and even SHX. And I'm talking about proof of price manipulation and control. There is now an email that is between GSR and Ripple that is talking about XRP trading bots and being able to turn them on and off. And that was at a time when the price of XRP went all of the way up to over $3.31. Our favorite digital assets are manipulated and suppressed by high frequency trading algorithms. There are pros and cons. The cons are obviously suppression and manipulation. However, pros are the exponential growth that is possible once their true potential is allowed and unleashed.
What we uncovered was an email exchange where Ripple, working with the market maker called GSR, sent them a request to let XRP breathe and to basically shut down the bots that they were using to do programmatic sales to exchanges. This email went out on December 18th, 2017, after XRP had gone from about 20 cents all the way up to 80 and then cooled back off to about 67 cents. Now, on December 18th, this email goes out, and over the course of the next 2 weeks, this is when XRP absolutely melted faces, going all the way up to over $3.30 to that all-time high. Now, you guys can see in this video for yourself what I'm talking about, and the question that I'm asking right now is, what happens this time around when it's time to let XRP breathe?
Here is the email that has been going around. I think Cowboy Crypto was the first one to actually put that out, and it looks like his account has been shut down right now, which shouldn't really surprise anyone because this is exposing people who are in control of a lot of not only crypto, but a lot of value in the traditional financial institutional kind of industry too. So it says, let's just consolidate reporting and accounting and let XRP breathe. And here it says, we need to stop the 6T bots for the same reason as the 4T. That was a very well-timed email. Perfect. Please advise if you are okay with this. Confirmed, received. So all of that is pretty clear evidence that they were able to turn things on and off and effectively control the price of XRP. And I first picked up on this when Pharaoh retweeted his own post. When they need the price to move in accordance with some type of event, they make that happen. Price is always ahead of news and events. So technically there is a switch that's been turned off since 2018. It was turned on for a bit right after the SEC lawsuit in December 2020 up until Gary became SEC chair in April 2021. Price went from 17 cents to $2 in those 4 months, or 109 days to be exact. It was then turned off once again as Gary was put in power. He became SEC chair on April 17th of 2021 when XRP was at $1.70. It has been 601 days and XRP has slowly traded downwards. That is 100% a high frequency trading bot suppressing the price however that they have to. And it's very likely that Ripple knows about the specific high frequency trading bot behind XRP. Gary Gensler doesn't want you to know this either, but he 100% knows. They all know when this is all over. They're just following a script. Now, this is the email, and the date is December 18th, and this is the corresponding chart. So this is Monday to December 18th of 2017. It was at 67 cents, and it went all the way up to $3.31 just about 2 weeks after that. That is the natural price action of XRP without all of the controlling algorithms and bots. So another very interesting thing was that there was an announcement from Ripple on February 13th that they had acquired a custody and trust company. Now, I can't say STs well, but it is right there on the screen. And it's interesting because look who is founder. Yes, it is the co-creator of the XRPL, Arthur Burrito himself. And that immediately got connected into all of this XRP price control because long-term Ripple partner GSR who was in that email, begins collaborating with, can't say STs, but it is them right there. So all of this goes hand in hand, and all of the right people are involved, and they're now becoming more involved in the public eye. So all of this is happening for a purpose, and in my opinion, it is to keep the price of XRP down so that the right people can accumulate it. And I don't think we have a lot of proof that the kinds of financial institutions are actively accumulating loads and loads of XRP right now. However, all of this goes in line with the role that XRP is trying to secure as a global cross-border payment and liquidity token. And all of that is explained well here.
That institutional are going against crypto. I think if anything, it's just happening in the right way, and the events of the peak of the previous bull market is setting up the stage for the next bull market to be done in the right way with the right actors, let's say.
With the right actors, as in the people at the top who are connected to other people at the top. And here's one that is in line with my way of thinking. However, I think his words say that he's able to prove things, and I don't think that's 100% true. But I think that the point is a well-made point.
When we talk about the price of XRP, we have to look at the debt. And central banks have an incentive to dissolve that debt right now. And they found a solution, which is blockchain. They actually are going to, in my opinion, based on the research, and also I can confirm this, that the International Monetary Fund has already agreed on a price before all this integration started to happen. So this was a few years ago. They agreed upon a price, and I got a lot of information from Linda P. Jones has a friend who worked at the Central Bank of Australia, and she said that they agreed upon a price, and it's in the thousands. Now, when we again talk about the XRP price, we have to look at the global debt, the incentive for central banks to dissolve global debt, in fact, also to utilize this liquidity, source of liquidity from XRP to facilitate transparency and moving into the digital economy. This is what they're going to be using. XRP is a financial instrument to serve the global economy.